Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your site live here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Making your BigCommerce site live involves a few key steps to ensure your store is ready to accept orders and is accessible to customers. Now, once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the View Store option here on the left side panel of your dashboard. What will happen is you would be forwarded to the store that you are creating. You see, basically your storefront is private, and if you want to share your site with a preview code, you might want to go here. All right, just remember that. Now, again, click on the Design This Page button here. You might want to make sure that all of these settings are correct. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on the Publish button here. Any changes you've made will be visible on your store. I want you to click on Publish. Right? As you can see, your store has not launched and it's not publicly visible yet. Right? And changes have been successfully published. Now, from here, once you're happy with this, okay, so you have you can preview your website before going live. Right? So, once you are happy, I want you to click on Save again and then exit. Go again to the left side panel of your dashboard. I want you to click on the settings. Click on settings. Because when you do that, you'd basically have the option to check in on the upper right corner to select a plan. You must remember that you need to upgrade to a paid BigCommerce plan because free trials does not allow for a live site. All right, so you need to choose a paid plan to make sure your store is publicly accessible. Again, I go to the account settings in your BigCommerce admin dashboard and select the upgrade account. These are going to be some of the options that you can choose for you to be able to make your site live here in BigCommerce. Right now, we're using the free plan, and if you want to upgrade, these are the options. You can choose the standard, which is $29 per month, billed annually. You can sell online with your own beautiful online store. But the most popular is going to be the $79 per month, which is billed annually. You can grow your online business with marketing tools proven to increase conversion. But if you wanted to scale up and go for the pro, nothing's stopping you. You can scale your growing business with a comprehensive set of features. If you want to scale up to the enterprise, you might want to consult with a sales professional for a demo before you go for a commitment. If you click on the select a plan, what will happen is you would be forwarded to the checkout process and you need to update the billing contact. All right? If you're happy with that. And once again, all you're going to do now is after selecting a plan, go to checkout and of course start selling. We have a separate video on how to edit your themes here in BigCommerce that you might want to check out. But in case you encounter any problems along the way, you might want to click on the help option. Click on the help center. You would be forwarded to the section here, right? Type in your questions to see if you get an answer. And if you need help, just type in here. Normally, one of the customer support staff is going to be eager to help you out and provide solutions or technical assistance and give you insights on how to fix your problem if you encounter making your store live here in BigCommerce. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.